What's going on, guys? I just got in this beautiful 7x24 Wilson ranch hand. As you can see, it's got the gunmetal sides, and up underneath the nose here we have the 12K drop leg jack, we have the spare tire mount, and then we also have two punch vents underneath here. All of Wilson's steel components are going to be rubberized undercoating. As we go down the side here, we have the 50-inch side ramp with the stainless steel outside, and then we also have the standard door on the inside. This ramp is also spring assisted with a loading light on top. On this trailer we have 5 lights on each side on the top. We have the easy step up bar to be able to see in, and then Wilson runs Z-post every 9 inches on their cross members. We have the Torsion Axles on 16-inch tires with 14 ply aluminum rims also. On the back here we have 4 grab handles, 2 on each side, and then we have 3 lights on the corner post. On the rear we have the full swing with the outside slide door, but we also added an extra set of stop turn tails in the rear header and in the corner post to make 6. And then we got the prop rod right here. Every Wilson is going to come standard with a slam latch. And then we got the 40-inch inner slide here. As we come inside, we have the .110 corrugated floor. And this trailer right here, we did a full swing with a 40-inch swing for the second cut gate. Just open this up right here. On the front cut gate, we have the floating style cut gate. And now what you do here is you just pull down 4 pins, and it's on a gear style track, and it moves really smooth. We also have 2 interior lights and a drop down nose gate up front. And then this trailer also has a tie rail on the driver's side about the front 12 feet or so. And then on the other side here, we have some tie loops. We have 4 tie loops on this side. And that is everything for this trailer. If you have any questions, give me a call here at 419-394-4408. Thanks for watching.